Hello and welcome, my friends, to this special video. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here, joining me on this journey. Whether you're a longtime viewer or this is your very first encounter with my content, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your presence. In this video, we're embarking on an exciting adventure together, a chance to explore, learn, and be inspired. It's a space where creativity thrives, ideas flourish, and connections are forged. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into a world of knowledge and discovery. Today we have a step-by-step guide on how to import Bohemian Lightroom presets in Lightroom CC. Alright, let's do it. Step 1. Download the presets. First, you'll need to download the Lightroom presets you want to import. Presets typically come in a zip file format, so make sure to extract the files before proceeding. Step 2. Open Lightroom CC. Launch the Lightroom CC application on your computer. If you haven't installed Lightroom CC yet, download and install it from the Adobe Creative Cloud website. Step 3. Navigate to the Develop module. Once Lightroom CC is open, click on the Develop module located in the top right panel. This is where you can apply presets and make adjustments to your photos. Step 4. Locate the Presets panel. On the left-hand side of the Develop module, you'll find the Presets panel. It should be displayed vertically. Step 5. Click on the icon in the Presets panel. Click on this icon located at the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 6. Choose Import Presets. From the drop-down menu, select Import Presets. This will open a file browser window. Step 7. Locate and select the preset files. In the file browser window, navigate to the folder where you extracted the preset files in Step 1. Select all the preset files you want to import. Lightroom presets typically have a .lertemplate or .xmp extension. Step 8. Click on Import. After selecting the preset files, click on the Import button in the file browser window. Lightroom CC will then import the presets. Step 9. Locate the imported presets. Once the import process is complete, you'll find the imported presets in the Presets panel. They will be organized under a new group with the name of the preset pack or the folder from which you imported them. Step 10. Apply presets to your photos. To apply a preset to your photo, select the photo in the Library module or the Develop module, then click on the preset you want to apply in the Presets panel. The preset settings will be applied to the photo, allowing you to achieve the desired look or effect. Additionally, you have the flexibility to fine-tune the presets and customize them to perfectly suit your photos. By making a few adjustments in the settings, you can achieve an even more seamless match between the presets and your unique images. Each photo has its own distinct characteristics and mood, and these settings allow you to effortlessly tailor the presets to bring out the best in your visuals. Take control of the creative process and unleash your artistic vision by exploring the various settings available. Don't hesitate to experiment and play around with the settings such as exposure, contrast, saturation, and more. This way, you can infuse your personal touch and ensure that every preset enhances the beauty and individuality of your photographs. Remember, these presets serve as a starting point, an artistic foundation upon which you can build and refine. So, feel free to dive into the settings and unleash your creative potential. Let your photos come to life in a way that truly resonates with your unique style and artistic vision. That's it. You have successfully imported Lightroom presets into Lightroom CC and can now apply them to your photos. Enjoy exploring different styles and effects with your imported presets.